Cheers from here. 1 kilometer just have come towards this side, and you guys can see on my backdrop that there's so many amazing parachutes. Exact landing zone. Look whom we met at BIR. Wow. This place is so beautiful that it's lit, and the designs behind is fabulous. Hey everyone, so finally reached BIR, and I'm staying at this Ghost Stops property, which is a very good location, and there's landing zone on the backside. The ride was amazing, as you guys would have seen the previous clips. It's mast zabardast. Yep, looking forward. I'm not sure of any other plans rather than just chilling out in the same spot. Maybe I'll go to the landing side for sunset, or maybe towards the monastery, but that's a later part of the day. But let's see. For now, let me just have some quick lunch. So let's go down. As you guys would have seen in my previous videos, that there's ghost stops that I've been stayed in Ooty. This was the last time that I stayed, and pretty much this property is always quite colorful and nice, because every ghost stop has this very vibrant colors that is spread across the building and the location as well. I need to explore on the other side and see how it is. वो वाला चलांग लगा रहा है उसको, वो घूम रहा है कैसे, ओ बाप रे, वो डर लग रहा है उनको, घूमने वाले को लगता है डर. If you guys can notice this is where the entire parachutes, they are trying to jump from that point. Most probably they end up landing towards this side. That's the landing zone that you see there, and those are the mighty Himalayas. One kilometer just have come towards this side, and you guys can see on my backdrop that there's so many amazing parachutes, and this is landing zone. Oh my god, look at this, how close it is. Oh wow, oh wow. And for the sunset, it's beautiful. Oh wow, look at this. Exact landing zone. Clear. So nice to see this during the sunset times. And I also look good. Very nice, check this out. Oh, this is so nice to watch this. Wow. Look whom we met at BIR. Everyone is solo but end up meeting as a gang. Yeah. Okay, this is one cafe over here at the BIR landing zone, and oh, beautiful, man. So we're trying to go up. We have the scape of Himalayas on the back side. Let's go up. Oh my god, the view from here is crazy, guys. You get to see the sunset as well as with the paragliding scenes happening out here. actually called the Himalayan Pizza, and the vibe out here looks pretty nice, and the place actually looks quite beautiful from here. Just check this out, guys. Wow, the lightings are too good. They have this beautiful statue.
She's falling, doesn't even know it yet. Having more regrets is all that she really wants. We've only carried on.
Kira.
That's one. Bye. Hello. Hello. She's wondering who are these people? Oh my god, this place actually has amazing vibe. Oh, this is such a beautiful song. Yes. This place is so beautiful that it's lit, and the designs behind is like fabulous. Must try place, guys, in
Okay, this has one of my favorite songs, like forever favorite.
Please go for it. Hot chocolate with pizza.
What is chocolate in the quotation mark?
Hot chocolate. Not so hot. Not so hot chocolate, not at all a hot chocolate. But yeah, the pizza is something which I heard from this place is good. So this is the Himalayan Cafe, Himalayan Pizza Cafe, I guess. And so we wanted to try the pizza out here. Oh wow. Oh, that is so cheesy, man. Crazy nice. Cheers from here. How is it?
Really good.
Good, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Pizza is damn yum. It is actually yum. Oh. It's so cheesy, you can see the cheese strands out. That is how an actual pizza has to be. So this cold weather and pizza is like a great combination. So I'm gonna have my great time over here. Cheers. Oh wow. Okay, see, Ghost Stops is like so lit. At the night, this is a crazy place.